How to make human in Little Alchemy 2. Now to create human, we need to combine clay and life. Now first let's get started with creating clay. We will open the Little Alchemy game. We have 4 elements by default. Combine water and earth to create mud. We will combine again earth and fire to create a lava. Then we will combine air and lava to create a stone. Then stone and mud to create a clay. So we have created our clay right here. Now the next step is for us to create life. To create life, water and water to create a puddle. Then combine puddle and puddle to create a pond. Combine pond and pond to create a lake. Combine lake and lake or lake and water to create a sea. Now we will combine earth and sea to create a primordial soup. Once we've created primordial soup, we'll combine fire and fire to create energy. Now we will combine energy to primordial soup to create life. Now once we have life, all we have to do is combine the clay that we actually basically went ahead and created, and once we've done that, you can see we have our human in hand. This way we will be able to make human in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.